Now let us know about the events in detail. Initially go to the communication, go to the events. This is the events adding screen. Here we can view the events by clicking on the view icon. See, and we can update the events by clicking on the edit icon. Right now I am updating the organized by. At final click on the update button. We had successfully updated the data. Here we can search the event in the search area. See, and we can add the events by clicking on the add event button. Coming to from date and to date, if the event take place on a single day, then we have to select the same date for from date and to date. Or if the event take place over 3 to 4 days, then starting day should be the from date and ending day should be the to date. Right now I am selecting children day event dates. Coming to event name, enter the event name here. Coming to event description, we can describe how the event was done. We can also describe all the important guests who came for the event. Coming to organized by, here we have to select who organized that event. Coming to upload image, as many images as we want related to that event we can upload here. Click on the reset if you want to remove the data in the event name and event description, or if you want to continue, then click on the submit button. We had successfully added the event. This is the process how we add the event.